Can ChatGPT actually replace your doctor? Over 1 million people have already asked it for medical advice, but can you really trust an AI with your health? Today, we'll find out if ChatGPT is a medical revolution or a dangerous shortcut.
Welcome to AI Meditalks, where we explore the future of healthcare technology.
If you've ever wondered whether it's safe to ask ChatGPT for health advice, this video is for you. ChatGPT doesn't think like a doctor. It analyzes billions of medical articles, guidelines, and user inputs to predict the most likely answer, kind of like a super smart medical search engine that talks back. It can explain symptoms, drug interactions, and even create patient education summaries. But remember, it doesn't see your lab tests, touch your pulse, or understand your full medical history. So, how accurate is it really? Let's look deeper. When used correctly, ChatGPT can be a powerful support tool. It simplifies complex medical language so patients finally understand their condition. Doctors use it to draft reports, summarize research, and even generate clinical notes faster, saving time for real patient care. And for rural or underserved areas, AI chat tools can give first-step guidance before people reach a doctor. So it's not all risk, it's also innovation. But every shortcut has a cost, and AI medicine is no exception. The biggest danger? Over-trust. ChatGPT doesn't always get medical facts right, and it can sound confidently wrong. It may give outdated, incomplete, or even risky advice if the prompt isn't clear. Unlike doctors, AI has no accountability. It won't notice if your blood pressure is high, or if your symptoms suggest something serious. That's why experts say AI can assist, but never diagnose. Think of ChatGPT as your digital assistant, not your doctor. So, would you trust ChatGPT with your health? AI can support your doctor, but it should never replace one. The future of healthcare isn't man or machine, it's man with machine. Thumbs up this video if you believe AI should stay human-guided. Comment below, would you let ChatGPT give you medical advice? And don't forget to subscribe to AI Med Talks for more science-based health videos that matter.